happy Halloween! In case you didn't notice, Halloween happens to be one of my favorite holidays, and welcome to the Lazy Girls Kitchen, where we are going to be celebrating Halloween all month long. So today we are going to be making a really delicious pretzel and caramel recipe that you can really make anytime, but I'm making it Halloween style. So if you want to see exactly what I'm talking about, make sure you keep on watching. Alrighty, so for these you're going to need some pretzels, preferably the square ones. I think that they work a little bit better. And then the candy, caramel candy, I don't know, bites, whatever they are. You're going to need some sprinkles, which are kind of festive. I mean, I'm using the Halloween ones, but if you're doing this for Christmas, do the Christmas ones. And then you're going to need some milk chocolate. I'm using a chocolate bar, but you can use like chocolate chips or something like that, something that'll melt easy. And then you're also going to preheat your oven to 350, and let's get started. Alright, so to save on some time, I already set this up. So all you're going to do is you're going to lay your pretzels down flat, and you're going to top it with a caramel melt, like a caramel piece. And you're going to stick this into your preheated oven for about 4 to 5 minutes. You're not looking for the caramel to completely melt. You're just kind of looking for it to soften, because then we're going to top it with a top pretzel piece to kind of make it like a caramel sandwich. Okay, so these were in the oven for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, they're still pretty solid. They're just softened. So all you're going to do is you take your top pretzel, and you're just going to squish it to make it like a little sandwich. And then you're going to let these cool. Well, you're going to let them set pretty much. And then we're going to continue when we get back the dipping process and then decorating them. Alright, so my pretzels have set nicely. The caramel has really stuck them together. So on my bowl I have some milk chocolate. I just use a bar like I said. I'm going to melt this in the microwave in 30-second increments, making sure to stir it after every 30 seconds. Otherwise your chocolate can burn and then it'll be no good. And then I'll meet you back here so we can show you the final step. Alright, I want to make sure you guys can see. So my chocolate is nicely melted. As you can see, it's beautiful. And so what you're going to do now is, let me just get rid of this. It like pains me when I waste chocolate, so I try not to. You're going to just take your little pretzel thing and you're going to dip it, take off some excess, and you're going to stick it on your, we're going to stick it on the baking sheet. And before the chocolate dries, which won't be for a while, you're going to take your whatever sprinkle you want, and you're just going to sprinkle it over the top, like so. I hope you guys can see, just like that. And then you're going to put this in a place where they could just solidify, you know, get hard, I don't know what you call it, where they dry, I guess. And then you can go ahead and enjoy. I hope you guys found this recipe helpful. I hope you like it. This is perfect for Halloween. I am going to be doing this with my nieces and nephews. So yeah, let me know what you think down below and what else you'd like to see, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!